Welcome back to my channel. In this video I explain how to make Instagram account private. So let's start the video. As you can see appears on screen top of the right corner, three lines. Just tap on it and then tap on settings. You can see here privacy. Just hit the privacy. You can see appears on screen private account. Turn on this toggle. Now tap the switch account. That's it. Hope this video helpful. Any question, go to the comment section below. Subscribe the channel and also all notification for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching my video.